Namaste everyone, my name is Rui. I'm from Singapore. So today I've completed my teacher training with Vinyasa Yogashala in Rishikesh. So it has been a wonderful journey. I never expected to get so much out of this experience. I had a lot of doubts before I came, but when I asked my questions before I even agreed to sign up for the course, Ashish Ji was so friendly and so patient to answer all my questions and inquiries. So he was really supportive, and he gave me the confidence to decide to give Vinyasa Yogashala a shot, which I did not regret at all. It was a wonderful experience. The teachers are super experienced, knowledgeable, and they are so friendly and welcoming, and they are showing you the real yoga, the traditional yoga, and how it's supposed to be done. It's not just asanas, there are philosophy and the way you live your life with your morals and everything. So yeah, 100% recommended for this trip. And as you can see, the school is located in a beautiful place with beautiful sceneries, and there are so many things to do in between the courses. On weekends, there are excursions. We went to Ganga Aarti and to the Beatles temple. So there are a lot of things planned for us, and they are super welcoming, and they really put their heart and soul into this course and giving us a wonderful experience. So it was perfect. So I really loved my time here, and I 100% recommend you guys giving this a shot if you are interested in the yoga journey. Definitely an experience you will not forget. So today I got my certificate over here. And yeah, very thankful that I came for this one, and very thankful to all the teachers, Ashish Ji, Tanu Ji, Ravi Ji, Shivam Ji, Vikas Ji, you know, all the teachers. They made everything so wonderful, and I really enjoyed my time here. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope we'll see you again. Namaste.